G'day folks, just a quick little video update. So GoPro released its fourth quarter earnings and information for stockholders today. And unfortunately, they've made it official that they are indeed discontinuing the Karma drone, which is actually quite disappointing. I really had hopes that they were going to continue in the aerial market with the Karma 2, but it is now official. Last week, they made a statement that they did do a lot of layoffs in the drone department, and some speculated that that could mean that they were going to be discontinuing the drone market, but others thought maybe they were just streamlining it. So yeah, it looks like that's it for the Karma. Now, they did also mention that they will still continue to offer support for it for existing Karma owners, but for how long, who knows. Now, one of the things that really kind of upsets me about this is that I'm a person, I really like competition. DJI is a great company. They make some great products. I own many of their products. However, it's competition that drives companies to strive for the perfect product. All these aerial drone companies are folding up and packing it in, and it's not leaving a lot of competition. And we could see prices go up and the quality of products go down. Anyways, I'd be interested to hear your thoughts on it. Leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.